Hey, what's going on YouTube? So I got this K&M Outlander XMR 650 off of Copart auction, and it was saying undercarriage damage, and I was like, okay, yeah, why not? And I found CV axle there was bad, which makes sense why, but also there was an electrical issue. I thought, hoping it was a battery, but nope. As you see, everything's torn apart. It got to the point where I freaking opened the ECM apart to see what's going on. So basically I'll turn the key on, there was nothing. What I ended up doing is found the main relay in here, the main relay, and what I did is I just like hot wired it and everything turned on. Basically like the gauges turned on, that turned on. But the thing is, the fuel pump didn't turn on, and it didn't start. And on the gauge it said, communication failure and transmission signal fault. I was trying to look it around, I'm checking voltage coming to the transmission, nothing was happening. So next, I left it. I spent all day on it. I left it. Next day I came and then did some research, and then I figured out it was a kill switch issue. Messed around with the kill switch and all of a sudden it wanted to start. So I'm gonna replace this kill switch and hopefully it starts again.